Big breaking news: this weekend, Iran launched a massive missile strike on Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, triggered by U.S. airstrikes on 3 Iranian nuclear sites. But Qatar's air defenses jumped in, intercepting all incoming missiles, boom, and the Qatari government slammed it as a blatant violation of their sovereignty, warning they'll respond proportionally under international law. Meanwhile, Iranian state TV confirmed 10 missiles were fired at the base near Doha, and the Trump administration is now monitoring the situation closely as President Trump meets with the national security team. On the ground, Qatar closed its airspace and the U.S. Embassy urged Americans to shelter in place, and don't forget, Israel is still carrying out strikes inside Iran. Stay safe, stay informed, and hit follow for updates for more breaking news.